Good evening, my people. Look at this. I want to show you real quick. It's 10:30 p.m. in the evening right now. You see how bright it is. I even wear sunglasses right now, but I don't even need them. So I'm gonna remove them so we can connect. Yeah, plus 27 something degrees. I'm in Latvia, Riga. Who doesn't know, this is my home country. This is where I grew up. This is where I spent my teen years being an athlete, being a professional hockey player, and then going to the gym. And then, from here I moved to Dubai. Yeah. So that's about it. I'm just going to go straight into the video. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go straight to the point. Because I was working today, I was thinking I want to express this. I want to share this to you guys. Who doesn't know, my name is Elvis. I am an entrepreneur. I have a social media agency based in Dubai that helps entrepreneurs and influencers with content and social media growth, to grow their personal brands, to grow their business brands. And I've been doing this for more than 3 years right now. And since then, I've gained enormous experience. And the best thing about this position is that you gain experience every freaking day, month, year, because social media is evolving. Yeah. And I'm in this business and in this position because I believe it so much. I'm fully all into this because I see we cannot escape social media. There will be people right now on this that they hate social media. They think the social media has ruined our generation, blah, blah, blah. Partly it's true, it has ruined some things. Yeah. But you have the power to choose which boat you're going to be in. The winners, they're just going to sink together with all the other, or they're going to take this opportunity and create their dream life. Yeah, I'm not saying dream life like something like this, but you really can change your life. I'm living, breathing example that social media, this thing in my hands has changed my life. Yeah. So the number one mistake, what I see, which old entrepreneurs, we are many years in the physical business, or young entrepreneurs who are just starting out, or people in general that maybe are working 9 to 5, but they have enormous skill set and they feel a bit undervalued in their workplace, whatever, is for you not having a personal brand and not even thinking about it and not even planning to start doing that. And who doesn't know, I'm going to explain what the personal brand is. It's basically your first name and last name, Elvis Kruze. It is you. It is something that no one ever will take away from you. You can start a business, you can start a brand, and you're smart enough, you make the right moves. Okay, you can exit one day, make a lot of money, or that business can bankrupt, yeah, and you start from zero. But this is the business you cannot fuck up. If you're stupid, you can, but if you're not stupid and you want the best possible life for you, you cannot fuck this business up. And whatever business you're gonna run, or you're gonna build and sell, or you're gonna go bankrupt, this business always gonna stay with you. So what I'm saying is, social media has given us opportunity to put ourselves, my body, my face, how I'm thinking, my experience out of the world. This video right now could be seen by a guy in LA or a young kid in Indonesia. Imagine 20 years ago, you just had your environment, your city where you're at, your community, and mostly that's it. Mostly that's it. Some lucky ones went out in the world, took the risk without knowing any shit, without seeing in social media, oh, what's Dubai like or what's America like. They just took the ticket and they went it and they got successful. But right now in this age, I think if you're watching this, you already know what's Dubai like, you already know what's LA like, you already know those places, yeah. So the question is, what do you want from life? If you want to live a life that you see on social media constantly, so why are you not doing anything about it? I'm gonna reveal you how you can get to that. If you are making money right now, that means you have a skill. If you have a skill, you can show it to the world. If you show it to the world, you can monetize it. Simple as that. Simple, but not easy. It is simple because the steps I just described, that works, and all the big millionaires, all influencers doing that. It's not easy because it requires a period longer than a month, which usually 80% of the people are dropping off. They post reels for like a month, they see no one's fucking with them, and they just drop it. And they see, why no one's watching my reels? Well, motherfucker, sorry for a bad language, is maybe you're not interesting enough. Maybe you don't have enough experience. Maybe you're competing with a guy that has done 500, 1,000 reels, and you're doing like 30. Yeah. So humble yourself. Don't watch the views. Your main goal right now, if you want to build a strong personal brand, would be 1,000 reels, not 10,000 views or 1 million views. Because what happens if, for example, you post 2 videos and one of them gets 1 million views? Amazing, right? You get this dopamine, this is my purpose, people are fucking with me. But what happens then? Next 10, 30 videos are getting 100 views. And you're thinking like, what is happening? Why no one's seeing value in me? And slowly you just drop, slowly you drop your thing. And you're the guy known for having this one viral video, this one viral song, and that's it. If you switch your thinking that you have to do 1,000 videos, imagine how many 1 million videos you have, and imagine what will you build with that. You will build this character, this habit of creating things, putting yourself out. And what I'm also saying, be smart with it. You don't have to put all your life out there, all your personal life, your dogs, your cats, your girlfriends, your wives, your kids. I'm thinking about skills and what you can offer to the world and what you like. First of all, what you like. If you share the things you enjoy doing in your free time or what brings you joy, you will gain a lot of new people that think the same, a lot of new people in higher levels that want to pull you up, invite you in some exciting opportunities or want to make businesses together. Yeah. Or just simply gain new friends, like I said. Just new people, exciting people you're going to travel the world with, Second thing is you put out your skills. You put out what you do for a living. You put out how you make your money. That will attract inevitably more clients. Or if you don't have a business, that will attract some headhunters that will offer you better positions, that will offer you maybe a position in USA or in Dubai or whatever. You never know. And like I said, you don't have to post your cute dog or whatever. You post what you like and what you do for a living. Then you can build your personal brand, and when that happens, then all the doors are open. You don't have to think about money or freedom ever again. Whatever moment you choose, you can sell yourself out in a good way. You can join a company, you can reach out, get new clients, you can launch a merch or a brand and people are gonna buy it the same day. But like I said, don't be a sellout in a bad way, that you're taking every opportunity, every brand deal, and people are getting sick of it. And you're having too many call to actions. No, it's not gonna work long term. So also, be smart. Be smart. How are you gonna turn that personal brand into strong personal brand, trustable personal brand, most important, trustable personal brand. Yeah. Right now, I'm gonna give 2 mistakes what young entrepreneurs or young people who are starting are doing, and who are maybe a long time in the business, maybe boomers, as I would say, they're making. So they're not thinking about this at all. They're not thinking about building a personal brand. What I already said. Yeah, they're thinking it's only for kids, for influencers. Damn, bro, like you've seen some of those influencers, how much money they make. You will start to post tomorrow. Yeah. Second thing, let's look at this. If you already have a personal brand, if you're already building something, if you have like understanding, okay, I need to use social media to make money. So what happens? I see this mistake all the time. For example, I'm sharing this because I've received multiple DMs on my Instagram. People, I know this is not a bot, this is a real person behind this. They're offering a real opportunity. From the text, sounds exciting, and then I check their profile, and either it's, really shitty profile picture with one shitty picture, or two pictures and like 10 to 100 followers, or there is no profile picture, there's no pictures, and even the profile is private. Like that just shows me like what kind of serious person are you. Like it doesn't give me trust. It doesn't give me that you're legit. Yeah, it give me the scammer vibes a bit, you know. So number one mistake is, if you're reaching out from social media, first make it personal. Yeah, try not to use copy paste methods, because also people can sense that we have supercomputers here, and people sense that this is not a personal message. Yeah. The second, optimize your profile. Even if you don't have a lot of followers, just post some interesting pictures. Just post something, you know. Just go out maybe with your friends. Okay, you don't like to pose. No one likes to pose for a picture. Ask them, guys, we're eating dinner. Go maybe to some cooler place, you know. Just get a coffee or a drink. It's not too expensive. You don't have that money. Guys, let's fucking eat, let's drink, but let's make each other pictures, you know, that looks raw, that looks like, you know, you're just enjoying your night, you know. You get the message. You get the message, yeah. Or look at your phone. There must be at least, you know, from your 10,000 pictures, at least a couple of really cool ones. Yeah, that you're smiling, that you're having fun, that you also can be serious. That also in your workplace, that you're maybe also, I don't know, with the rental car, whatever the fuck, just make your profile look that there's a real person talking behind it. Yeah, in whatever happens, if you're a scammer, that we can locate, that the other person can locate you and yeah, deal with you. Yeah. So be seen. Don't be fucking private. Like, why are you private? Either if you are like a dealer, yeah, street pharmacist, I would say, or why would you need a private profile? Also for chicks, you know, chicks are just like, I don't know, liking your pictures or following you, but they have closed profiles, and on the profile pictures, it's not clearly seen that woman is attractive or not. Why would I follow? Like, really, just think about it. If you want more from life, don't hold yourself in. Give out more love, give out of yourself, and you're gonna get more. Yeah? Understand? Now, the bad example and a good example of personal brands. Yeah? So, a bad personal brand, yeah, even you see person is not private. He has some followers, not too much, maybe 1,000, couple thousand. He has some pictures, but the pictures, you look at the pictures, what are the pictures like? Most of the pictures, he's not in those pictures. Most of the pictures, there's, I don't know, a bridge, or there is this cliff or something. If you're in a cool place, it is a shame for you not to be in the view, or not to be by a table photographer. Yeah, just think. And if you don't have this creative thinking, you don't know how to make creative like pictures or content, just write in the Instagram search bar, creative or cool or fashion, and just save something you like, and your algorithm later, like after a day, will adjust and you will see cool shit, and just save that and use it for reference and create cool content. Yeah, because like I said, it will open doors, it will get you more clients, you will make more money. That is how I make my money, because people see me, that I got my big clients, that they saw my profile. Oh, this is a cool guy, he's a cool content, he's creative, I like him, let's work with him. Yeah. Now, the good example. Yeah, of course you can look at my profile, but no. But yeah, you can. Good example. First, it's not about the followers. Look how many posts they have. Just open up right now, Mike Thurston, my client, or Josh Mooney page. Look how many posts they got. Yeah, you can pause this video, check your phone. Look, you can see that they have over 1,000 posts, over 2,000 posts. Yeah, and you can see like how many days a year we have, like 365. Yeah? You can see how many years of daily posting it has been, and you have to understand that, okay, oh yeah, bro, I love bikes. I miss my baby so much. I'm going soon to buy. We'll see how hot it will be, if it's gonna be drivable or not in the season. But yeah, like I said, look how many posts they have. It's not 1 month, it's not 1 year. It's multiple years of grind, multiple years of like thinking what to post, how to post. And that might seem, overwhelming. Yeah. but after the time you get the habit that it comes easy to you. You just know what to post, you know when to post, you know in the situation you're going to be, how to get content out of it, um, you're an event, there is going to be a photographer, you get to know that photographer, he sends you pictures, you get content just by asking. Yeah. And down the road, those guys, I can say, are living free. They have respectable, great, big brands, and people are offering them so much opportunities to get into, so much money, and the biggest thing right now for them is just to say no, a lot of things, because they also know you cannot be a sellout, you cannot take an opportunity that could be harmful for your brand. That actually could be a whole another video, how to know which opportunity, business-wise or brand-wise, could be harmful for your brand. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that. I will make a video, because I have experience also on that. I have clients also experience. I've worked with some brands. I see the red flags. I see what you have, like how they're using you and you're not getting anything back, or how it's going to be bad for your name. But long story short, yeah, if you work with someone, yeah, it has to make sense. It has to be, it matches your personality. If you use the products yourself, if you're a fitness guy, it's not going to make sense for you to promote a pizza place. It's fucking sellout, and people are just like watching puking. What are you doing? Yeah, you get the idea. You have to match the personality. Yeah. So yeah, that's why sometimes when I see some famous athletes are promoting like some alcohol brands, or some clubs, or like some sketchy places, like, bro, you sure you cannot make your money in a different way? Like, I'm not judging, but I'm your follower, or people are your followers, and they just not a good look. Yep. But like I said, I hope this video helps for some of you who are thinking about it, to open their eyes, to understand you're not alone. That's gonna be hard, but it's gonna be so worth it. It's gonna be so worth it. I'm starting, I just feel every day, every year, I'm just starting out. You have to have this drive, you have to have this. And also my big clients, Mike, also feels this. He's just starting out, But of course, you have to stop and inhale it and be grateful, but go to the next level. Swim, just swim. Don't sink, just swim. And life's gonna be beautiful, baby. You're gonna sit in the workday, 11 p.m., enjoying your walk in Eastern Europe, where the most beautiful girls are born, or in Spain, or in Dubai. You're just gonna live it. And I wish every one of you, single one of you watching this still to this point, you're a G, and you're gonna make it happen. I believe in you. Have a good one, and write me in the comments, is there something you want to know from me, if you know me for a bit, or just show some love. And subscribe always helps, like always helps. I love you guys. I love making these videos. Another one coming soon. Cheers.